Good morning, students. So this is my second video on this chapter electricity. So today we are going to learn about the potential and potential difference. Now let us understand the topic, what is a potential and potential difference. So here we are going to learn about the potential and potential difference. Now let us understand the concept. See this, suppose a wire, it is having lot of electrons. They are having the few electrons are there. Free electrons are always there present in a conductor. So these electrons, they are stable in the wire and they are not flowing right now, but if we put, at present they are rest, but when the electron are moving, that means some force is there, okay, and due to this force they move from one place to another. Okay, you will read about the thermal velocity in the higher classes, how they are moving. Now for movement of these electrons from one place to another, we require some force, and this force is provided by an instrument that is called the cell. When we connected it with the cell conducts the electricity. So what happened, the electrons, they start flowing from negative to the positive, and as we have learned about in the other classes, that the convention current, the flow of current will be in the opposite direction. The direction of current is always opposite to the direction of electrons in the conductor. So like this, there is some force, and it is providing some displacement in the electrons. Electrons में displacement हो रहा है, and due to force this electron they displace. Now suppose if we take a point at infinity, now let us take a point at infinity, and we have make a charge. Suppose I give a charge on it, that is 1 coulomb of charge at the infinity, and we are taking it to a point A. So when we are taking it to a point, so we have to do some work. So work done will be equal to, that is, so work done to bring a unit charge from infinity to a point, that is called the electric potential. Okay, similarly, if we see this, we can understand it that if the work done to bring a charge from 2 points, that is A to B, if we bring this charge from A to B, then this will be called potential difference. Okay, so electric potential is to bring the charge from infinity to a point, and the work done to bring a charge from infinity to a point, that is called the potential. And similarly, if the work is done to bring that charge, 1 coulomb of charge or one charge, it may be positive or negative, to from A to B, so this will be called, that is potential difference. That means there is a very slight difference between the we can say definition of these two. So it is when the electricity, that means the point, if you bring a unit charge, it may be positive or negative, when it brings from infinity to a point, so this is called the potential. And if it is done between the 2 points, and this is called the, that is potential difference.